Hi there and welcome to this Squarespace tutorial. And in this Squarespace tutorial, I want to do a Squarespace blogging series. So somebody asked me, how do I create a blog on Squarespace? And that is why I came up with this Squarespace blogging tutorial series. And I will put all the videos in one YouTube playlist. So even before you finish watching this video, if you look in the description, you're going to see a link to the playlist. So just click on the link so that you can watch this video on the YouTube playlist and you'll watch one video after the other. It's going to be a very short tutorial. I'm going to make sure that all the videos are short and easy to follow along with. So by the end of this tutorial, you're going to see how you can create a blog and you'll have the skills necessary to create any kind of blog that you want. You'll have an about page, a home page, a contact page, and any other thing that you want to add on your blog website. So just to summarize, in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to work with Squarespace blogging. You're going to learn how you can create a blog on Squarespace, and all the videos will be in one playlist. So if you're not watching in the playlist, just click the description below to go and watch in the YouTube playlist for this Squarespace blogging tutorial series. So before I go into the next video, there is a different video that I did about introduction to Squarespace, and that video will show you how to sign up on Squarespace, how to create and delete websites, and how to work with various settings on Squarespace. So if you look in the description below as well, you're going to see that the video has been added there. And if you have no idea how to work with Squarespace, make sure you watch that video because it's going to give you a good understanding of where we're starting from. You can see I'm already logged into my account, and if you don't know how to get here or what to do to get here, make sure you watch the introduction to Squarespace tutorial. That will give you a brief introduction to Squarespace. So let me just get started. And in the next video, what I'll do is I'll come in here and I will create a new website. And in the new website, we're going to start creating our blog. So I'll see you in the next video.